on the summer night. Her touch a breeze, both soft and shy, a fleeting calm you can't deny. A storm that fades before goodbye. She smells like rain. Her voice, it drifts like evening mist. Each word a drop that paints the sky. A moment held, a chance you've missed. She's always near, she's always here, but passing by. She smells like rain. Yes, she does. The smell of rain is soothing you, a touch of wild that's haunting you. Her love's a prize you cannot claim, a fleeting trace, a subtle grace, a whispered name. She dances where the shadows play, a fleeting echo I can never keep. She fades just as the light turns gray, a haunting dream, a magic charm inside my sleep. Oh, she smells like rain. The smell of rain is soothing you, a touch of wild that's haunting you. Her love's a storm you cannot tame, a fleeting trace, a subtle grace, a whispered name. The smell of rain is soothing you, a touch of wild that's haunting you. Her love's a storm you cannot tame, a fleeting trace, a subtle grace, a whispered name.